Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, then don't forget to subscribe down below. Today's video is just going to be this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. It is very dewy, very summer inspired, very bronzy and glowy. I didn't use any foundation for this makeup look. I did use concealer and some cream highlights and some cream bronzers, and obviously set that all with some powder. But and then on the eyes I kept it very kind of neutral. I didn't do anything crazy for the eyes, just something simple. But I did use some false lashes just because when I do a look like this, I do like my eyes to have a little bit of something going on. And I like fake lashes because they just open up your eyes and make you look really awake and really perfect for this look. So if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I also want to quickly mention that I hit 4,000 subscribers and I'm so thankful for that. I can't believe I hit 4,000. I just wanted to thank you guys for everyone that has subscribed and leaves really nice comments. I really appreciate it. It is so hot in this room. There is no air conditioning, so I'm just like, all these lights are putting off so much heat and I'm like sweating over here. But yeah, so I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. If I ever get to 5,000, I will be so happy. So if you guys can help me get there, then you can enter my giveaway and it's going to be huge. I'm going to get some really good prizes for it. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how to recreate this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going in with just some concealer. This is the Naked Skin concealer, and I'm just applying this on my eyes. I'm going to blend it out with this new sponge. This is by the brand Mikasa Beauty. I actually have a coupon code for 15% off. I really like this sponge. It's really nice. So I'm just going to blend my concealer out with this. And then for eyeshadow, I'm just using the Becca Jaclyn Hill face palette, and I'm using that blush shade in the shade Amaretto, and I'm using a Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm just applying this in my crease. This is just going to give us a little bit of warmth so that it pulls the whole look together. I don't want to leave my eyes bare, so I'm just going to apply this into my crease, and then I'm going in with this Too Faced Bonbon Chocolate palette. This is in the shade Divinity, and I'm just applying this with my fingers onto my eyelid. You don't need to do this step, but this just kind of like opens your eyes up and it cleans everything up so it looks, you know, nice and pulled together. So this step is optional, but I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to give my lashes a couple coats. I'm going to be adding some false lashes today. These are the Esquito lashes. I really like these. I bought these from the Mikasa website, so you can get 15% off these if you'd like. And these are the style Big City Nights, and they're so pretty. They're just really girly and flirty, and I really like them. So for my face, I'm going to skip foundation and just use some BB cream. This is the Garnier BB cream, and I'm using the shade Medium Dark. I'm using this because it's just going to give our skin a little bit of even tone, but it's not going to really cover much. But I like to do this instead of foundation in the summer. And then for concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay concealer again. And I'm going to put this underneath my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And I'm also going to go in with some cream bronzer today. And this is by Sonia Kashuk. I got this from Target. And I'm just going to be using a e.l.f. face brush. And I'm just applying this kind of messily on the outer portion of my face where the sun would naturally hit. And I'm not really contouring with this at all because it's not really a contour shade, but I'm just really like warming up the skin with this and just making sure it's really blended. And then I'll go in with my sponge again and blend out the concealer and just make sure everything kind of blends together. Now I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics translucent powder. This is something that I got in my Ipsy bag, and I actually really like it for underneath my eyes. and the bridge of my nose. It just really locks your concealer in place. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite new brushes, and this is by the shade Mikasa Beauty again, and it's just a really good brush for applying bronzer. This bronzer is by Milani that I'm using. You can find this at like Walgreens. And I'm just going to apply this on my face. That brush is the F100 brush. It is so soft and it just really applies your bronzer really nicely. So I'm just applying this all over my face where I typically would see the sun. And I'm just going in with some Milani pressed powder, and I'm just going to apply this around my mouth and my nose and my forehead, anywhere that I would typically get like oily if I did get oily, but just to keep everything nice and put together. So I'm going in with some blush. This has actually been my favorite like go-to blush. I use this all the time in the summer, and it's by MAC, and it's in the shade Margin. So for highlight, I'm going in with this highlight that I actually got in an Ipsy bag, and I really like it. It's by the brand, I'm not sure. I'll have it listed down below, but I know it's called That Glow though. And I'm just going to apply this anywhere that I want the highlight, and I'm going to set that, or not really set it, but blend it in place with my sponge again. And then I'm going to set that highlight with the Becca and Jaclyn Hill Collection Face Palette. And I'm going to apply that anywhere that I want highlight. And as you can see, my highlight's poppin'. So I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, the highest points of my face, so like the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my lip. And I'm also going to go in with a smaller brush and apply this on my brow bone, anywhere that, you know, you want some highlight. So like all over the face would be good. Okay, so now I'm taking that same shade we used in our crease, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. I'm using a Morphe M432 brush. This brush works really nicely for packing on any shade on the lower lash line, and I highly recommend Morphe brushes. They're amazing. So for my lower lashes, I'm using my favorite mascara for the lower lashes, and this is the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. It's really good at separating your lashes, so that's why I really like it for the lower lashes. And then I'm going in with the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Namaste. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I'm going to top that off with some lip gloss. And today I'm using the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the shade Moon Glow. You can use any lip gloss you would like. And then to set this all in place, I'm actually going in with this new Pixi Glow Mist. And it's with argan oil, so it's really good for like hydrating, and I love this stuff, so I highly recommend it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.